was raised in a very conservative Christian family. I went to church since I was a small child. It's all I've known. And then I was baptized, accepted Christ when I was about 10 years old. And I've been battling kind of the impressions of conservative middle America Christianity ever since. I used to memorize scripture, and I used to come in first or second in the Bible drills, which are the games where you'd hold the Bible over your head and have the teacher call out the verse and see who could find the verse the fastest. So I had plenty of head knowledge about God and about Jesus. I could provide the right answers in Sunday school class or in church settings. Head knowledge is great for religion, but it's not that great for having a relationship with God. So over the last several years, what's really changed, what's happened, is I've really learned what it means to be loved by God, to not be so concerned about having the right answer and doing all the right things, about God's unconditional love and what that means to me in daily living. A lot of the lessons I've learned have been the result of some tough times in my life, but it's helped me realize how much God does love me and how much I don't have to be perfect and to be right. So more and more, I really desire that regular time with God in His Word, not because it's the right thing to do, because it's the Christian thing to do, but because I really want to understand what God's trying to tell me and to put God first and obey what He's asking me to do. And I find that being in Scripture on a regular basis really helps me to do that.